Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer your old trouser to a new pair of shorts, basically, because I know we girls we buy quite lots of things for no necessary. So this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your old trousers that you're sick of it, you don't want to wear it anymore, so you're gonna literally like change it up a little bit. So this video I'm gonna show you for that, so stay here, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up. And this video literally I had so much fun like doing this video, like so much fun. Like these trousers I brought like £5 from Primark and I changed it basically to a short, and then the short it looks so amazing, like so amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. So the things that you're gonna take, guys, this is your pair of trousers right here. This is how it goes. This is the trousers. It's just like a blank, literally is nothing in front, it's just like literally blank. And I got this trouser for £5 from Primark, and it was on sale, so I got it for £5, and it doesn't have nothing, like literally nothing. The only thing you can do, you can you can have like a little idea. So you can have like a idea in your head, or you can have a picture and then you can literally know exactly what you're going for. So I'm gonna turn this to a short. So the only thing you can do, you can put this down right here, like so. Just make sure that everything is on correct. Just laying it. But this is my old short right here. This is the short that I like to wear. So I'm gonna get this the short ones, and then I'm gonna literally press it in here on top, so I know exactly the height that I'm going for. The height that I'm going for to there to here. I'm gonna take a pen or whatever you have to cut it. So I'm just gonna make a little marks right here, so I know exactly where I'm gonna cut, where I'm cutting. So just make it like so. This is it. This is literally. So I'm gonna literally make my little bit longer to this one. So I'm gonna make it my little bit longer. So I'm gonna make it like 3 centimeters. So I'm just gonna like draw it right here, 3 centimeters, because I don't want mine to be really that short. Yeah, and then this is your pair of scissors. It's come in handy. So I just gonna take it and I put it right here, so exactly I know where I'm going. So this is really so easy, guys. And then just gonna chop it off. Oh god, help me. So I'm just gonna chop it off like so, straight. This is right now how they look like, the shorts. So I'm just gonna put it right here, and then another thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get my scissors, and then I'm gonna chop a little bit right here. Just cut it right here to chop it, so that means I can make my own designs and whatnot. Just chop it like so, just a little bit, like that, right there. You see, right here, that side, and then I'm gonna go on this side again. I'm just gonna chop it off on the same side again. Just have to be careful. Just pinch it. You have to just pinch it, and then cut it. So I pinch it and cut it. This is how they look like. So this is how it looks like. And I'm gonna go in the back as well. I'm just gonna cut it to here, to my pocket. So I'm just gonna pinch it again and cut it to my pocket. So this is how it looks like. And the front, I pinch it that side and that side as well, and the back I pinch it to the pocket area. right here. And then so I'm gonna go inside, and then this is when you come your tweezers. Your tweezers are the one that you use for your eyebrows or for anything that you use for. This is how it looks like right now, guys. So I'm just gonna collect this, and then you're gonna chop. You're gonna take it, and then just start pinching it like this, basically, until you're happy with it. This will take time, guys. Like, will literally take time. Just do it like this so that you can see the little details coming out. So I'm just gonna go over and over, just pinch it. So let me show you guys the so this is how right now it looks like, but if you want to like good process, you have to take your time with it, basically. So this is how you're gonna do it, guys. This is the only thing. You're just gonna go back and back and back and do it. So let me just show you. This is a side that I'm literally working on it right now, and this is the side it just like I just cut it, so you can see the difference. And I'll come back here in a bit to show you guys the process, how it's gonna look like in the end. Only bit I'm gonna do that bit as well. So I'm gonna do underneath bit as well, the same method. I just gonna do gathering. So I just gonna take my tweezers, and then I just gonna start plucking it again, how it's supposed to be, just plucking it like so, because I want it to be frill. But this is gonna be so messy, guys, like I'm telling you this. So you can tell the difference right now. Just take it and pluck it like how it's supposed to. Yeah, just do this basically until you're happy with result, and then you leave it basically. Just